In modern agriculture, the use of advanced machinery to harvest hundreds of tons of agricultural products every day has become a popular and important trend. This not only helps reduce labor but also increases efficiency and product quality. Agricultural products such as apples, grapes, strawberries, corn, coconuts, vegetables, and dairy, duck, and goose farming are now being produced and harvested using modern technology, creating major breakthroughs in productivity and quality. The fruit-growing industry such as apples, grapes, and strawberries has witnessed a dramatic change in production methods thanks to the development of automated machinery. In the past, fruit harvesting required a large, manual, and time-consuming workforce. However, today, automatic harvesters can harvest tons of fruit in a short time, while minimizing fruit damage. For example, in the large grape-growing regions of California, thousands of hectares of vineyards now use automatic harvesters, which reduce the number of workers needed during the harvest season and increase economic efficiency. According to statistics, each year, a vineyard can harvest from 100 to 200 tons of grapes per day with just a few machines. While if harvested manually, this number would only reach about 50 tons. Every day, farmers around the world witness new advances in technology, helping them not only meet domestic consumption needs but also expand into international markets. Harvesting hundreds of tons of agricultural products every day, from fruits to vegetables, or from poultry to dairy cows, is no longer difficult thanks to the strong support of modern equipment and machinery. In large growing areas such as California, Washington State, USA, or even in Vietnam, apple, grape, and strawberry fields have been equipped with automatic harvesting systems. The harvesters not only collect the fruit but also sort it by size and ripeness, minimizing damage and saving labor. They can also work in harsh weather conditions, bringing optimal productivity in every season. A typical example is in vineyards in California, where the harvest yield can reach 100 tons of grapes per day during the peak harvest season thanks to automatic harvesters. Along with the development of the crop industry, the livestock industry is equally important in the modern agricultural production chain. Automatic milking systems, such as those on dairy farms in Wisconsin, USA, not only help increase productivity but also improve milk quality and reduce worker fatigue. These systems can monitor the health data of each cow, thereby detecting health problems early and adjusting diet and vaccination in a timely manner. This not only increases milk productivity but also helps farms save on animal care and maintenance costs. Not stopping at applying technology to production, advanced farming models go further with the application of artificial intelligence, AI, Internet of Things, IoT, and big data. These automatic monitoring systems allow farmers to control every factor in the farming process, from soil moisture, air temperature, to the amount of light that crops receive. Using sensors to collect data helps optimize the use of water, fertilizers, and pesticides, thereby improving production efficiency without harming the environment. A recent study in the Netherlands has shown that applying IoT technology in monitoring and managing irrigation water for crops has helped reduce water use by up to 50%, while increasing crop yields by 20%. This is especially important in the context of climate change and droughts occurring in many parts of the world. This water saving not only helps farmers reduce costs but also contributes to protecting precious natural resources, serving the sustainable development of agriculture. The combination of technology and sustainable management in agriculture not only helps farmers improve productivity but also improves the quality of life. Thanks to automated machines and advanced technology, farmers can now work less but gain higher productivity and profits. They no longer have to rely on hard manual labor but can control all stages from planting to harvesting and processing. Moreover, these technologies also help increase the value of agricultural products, making them easier to export to international markets that require high and stable product quality. For example, Vietnam's fruit and vegetable export industry has witnessed strong growth thanks to the application of advanced technology in cultivation and processing. Products such as dragon fruit, mango, and longan are not only consumed domestically but also exported to demanding markets such as Japan, Korea, and the EU. Advances in post-harvest preservation technology and processing procedures also help products maintain long-term quality, increasing the export value of Vietnamese agricultural products. In the livestock sector, the poultry and milk export industry has also achieved success thanks to the use of animal health monitoring systems and modern processing procedures. Livestock farms in countries such as the US, Brazil, and even Vietnam have adopted automated meat processing technologies, which help improve product quality and reduce waste. These technologies also help improve the slaughter process, reduce animal suffering, and ensure food safety. However, a major challenge facing modern agriculture is maintaining a balance between production and environmental protection. Although technology helps reduce many of the negative impacts of traditional agriculture, there are still concerns about the excessive use of chemicals in the production process, or about over-reliance on technology while ignoring natural factors. Therefore, there needs to be a close coordination between technology and sustainable farming methods to ensure that agricultural production not only meets human needs but also protects natural resources for future generations. In general, modern agriculture with the combination of high technology and sustainable management not only helps the economy grow but also contributes to environmental protection and improving people's lives. These achievements are clear evidence that only when farmers apply scientific and technological advances can they develop sustainably and accompany the development of the global economy. When looking at the overall picture of modern agriculture, it is impossible not to mention the advanced and creative farming models that have been applied in many rural areas. Farmers are not only hard workers but also talented managers, knowing how to use technology to optimize the production process and minimize harmful factors to the environment. One of those typical models is organic farming combined with high technology. Farmers in places like California, Spain, and Vietnam have begun to adopt chemical-free farming methods, instead using automated technologies to monitor and care for crops. For example, sensor-based monitoring systems help regulate fertilizer and water levels, creating an optimal growing environment for crops without the need for toxic chemicals. This method not only helps protect consumers' health but also ensures sustainable agricultural development. In Vietnam, organic farming models that combine advanced technology are becoming increasingly popular. Farms growing clean vegetables and organic fruits in cities like Đà Lạt, Hanoi, and Binh Duong have used technologies such as automatic irrigation systems, environmental monitoring systems, and even artificial intelligence to analyze data on humidity, temperature, and plant growth. These technologies help increase productivity, reduce risks and protect water resources, an important factor in modern agriculture. One of the remarkable successes in modern agriculture is the strong development of smart agriculture, where digital technology and big data play an important role in optimizing production. In some areas in the US and Canada, farmers have started using drones and sensors mounted on machines to collect data on crops. This data is analyzed to make decisions about when to harvest, irrigate and use fertilizers most accurately. These models have helped farmers increase productivity while maintaining the sustainability of the land. This is demonstrated by the fact that farmers can produce high-quality agricultural products, meeting the strict requirements of international markets. For example, growing clean vegetables and organic fruits for export to demanding markets such as Japan, Europe or the US not only increases the value of agricultural products but also creates a stable source of income for farmers. In addition, the application of technology in agriculture also helps to minimize negative impacts on the environment, such as soil and water pollution caused by excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides. These smart farming methods have significantly reduced the amount of fertilizers and pesticides needed. minimized water and soil pollution, and increased agricultural growth without affecting the quality of the living environment. In particular, innovations in agricultural technology also help reduce manual labor, improving the quality of life for farmers, instead of having to work hard in the fields under harsh weather conditions. Farmers can now work more efficiently thanks to automated machinery systems. Modern harvesters can operate continuously, collecting high-quality agricultural products without much intervention from workers. This not only helps reduce the burden of work, but also improves productivity and reduces production costs. The combination of modern technology and sustainable farming methods has contributed to changing the face of global agriculture. From the vast cornfields in the US, coconut farms in Thailand to strawberry farms in Vietnam, technology has helped farmers solve the problem of productivity, quality and the environment. This proves that agriculture is not only the development of the manufacturing industry, but also the constant innovation to find sustainable solutions for global agriculture. With these advances, the agricultural industry will continue to develop strongly in the future. Farmers will no longer be just manual laborers but will become proactive in applying science and technology, finding effective solutions to develop agricultural products in a sustainable way. Thanks to these efforts, we can expect a modern, creative and sustainable agriculture, not only meeting domestic consumption needs but also reaching out to the world, bringing value. In addition to the use of technology, another important factor in the sustainable development of modern agriculture is the application of regenerative farming methods, where natural principles are combined with modern agricultural techniques. This helps protect the soil, maintain soil fertility and limit erosion, a problem that is becoming increasingly serious in many areas of the world. Regenerative farming methods are not just a trend, but have gradually become an effective solution to help farmers reduce production costs and grow sustainably. For example, in organic farms in the US, the use of cover crops, planting soil conditioners and crop rotation helps protect the soil from degradation, while promoting the growth of beneficial microorganisms in the soil. These methods not only protect the soil but also increase productivity without relying on chemicals or industrial fertilizers. In Southeast Asian countries such as Vietnam, Thailand, or Indonesia, regenerative agriculture models are also being applied more and more popularly. For example, in coconut growing areas in Bến Tre, farmers have used the intercropping method, combining coconuts with other crops such as vegetables and corn, helping to increase yields while the soil is not depleted of nutrients. Studies have also shown that rotating with different crops not only protects the soil, but also helps improve groundwater quality and minimize the risk of soil erosion. Another example is the mixed farming model between agriculture and livestock in the mountainous regions of northwest Vietnam. Farmers grow rice combined with raising cattle and poultry, and at the same time take advantage of manure as organic fertilizer for crops. This is an effective way to help regenerate the soil and improve soil fertility without using chemical fertilizers. This model not only creates a sustainable agricultural ecosystem but also helps farmers gain a stable income from both crops and livestock. However, it cannot be denied that the application of regenerative farming methods requires farmers to change their traditional production habits, which may encounter resistance from those who are used to old production methods. Therefore, organizing training courses, technical advisory programs and support from the government and NGOs are essential to help farmers better understand the benefits of applying these methods. Furthermore, there needs to be coordination between relevant agencies to develop policies to encourage sustainable agricultural development, to ensure that agriculture not only develops strongly but also protects the environment. This becomes even more important in the context of increasingly evident climate change. with direct impacts on the agricultural sector. Extreme weather, droughts, floods and rising temperatures are making it difficult for farmers to maintain production. However, with advances in technology and sustainable farming methods, farmers can better adjust and adapt to these changes. Drought and pest-resistant crop varieties, along with the use of water-efficient irrigation systems and smart management, help farmers maintain productivity even in harsh climate conditions. A prominent example is in the arid regions of Australia, where farmers have begun to adopt smart irrigation technologies, using sensors and machines to optimize the amount of water applied to crops. This helps save water, especially during the dry seasons, and ensures that crops still grow well without depleting water resources. In addition, planting drought-resistant crops such as coconuts and olives has also helped farmers in these regions maintain stable incomes despite unfavorable climates. Meanwhile, studies have also shown that the application of environmental monitoring technologies and big data analysis not only helps farmers improve productivity but also protects natural resources. These systems not only monitor the amount of water, temperature or moisture in the soil, but also help analyze other factors such as crop growth, pest status, thereby helping farmers make the right decisions about the use of pesticides and fertilizers. In short, the combination of modern technology and sustainable farming methods is opening up a bright future for the agricultural industry. Not only does it help increase productivity and reduce production costs, but it also protects the environment, minimizing the negative impacts of agricultural production, especially in the context of increasingly obvious climate change. This not only helps protect the economic foundation of the country but also ensures that future generations will continue to benefit from a sustainable and prosperous agriculture. In addition to fruits, the corn and coconut industries have also benefited greatly from technology. Corn, which is one of the main crops in many countries, is now harvested by automatic harvesters, helping to harvest corn quickly and minimize losses. Large cornfields in the U.S., such as in the state of Iowa, have used tractors, seeders, and automatic harvesters to optimize the production process. This system of machinery helps reduce dependence on manual labor, increase productivity, and save operating costs for farmers. In coconut farms in southern Vietnam, the use of coconut shellers and coconut processes has helped farmers increase production, thereby expanding the consumption market. Vegetables and fruits are also a growing sector thanks to technology. Vegetables such as carrots, potatoes, cabbage, and onions are all produced in modern greenhouses, where automatic irrigation systems and tillers optimize the cultivation process. Seeders, cultivators, and harvesters have become indispensable tools in modern farms, helping to increase productivity and reduce labor. A study in the Netherlands showed that the use of automatic irrigation systems combined with seeders increased vegetable production by up to 30% while reducing labor costs by about 40%. In addition to agricultural production, the livestock industry is also not out of the technological revolution. Dairy farming has become more efficient than ever thanks to automation in milking and cow healthcare. Dairy farms in the U.S., such as in Wisconsin, have applied robotic milking systems to increase productivity and reduce labor costs. A farm can milk hundreds of cows a day without human intervention, while still ensuring milk quality. These systems also help monitor cow health, predict potential problems, and help farms improve production efficiency. According to a report by the American Dairy Association, the application of this technology has helped increase milk productivity by 15% per year. Along with dairy cows, poultry farming such as ducks and geese has also improved with the support of technology. Automatic feeders, automatic egg harvesters, and automatic slaughter systems have helped farms save time and effort. Some poultry farms in Vietnam, such as in Dong Nai, have begun to apply machinery in the duck farming process, helping to reduce production costs and increase the rapid growth of poultry. All these advances not only help farmers save time and effort but also contribute to improving product quality. thereby increasing export value. Technology in agriculture has been changing the lives of farmers, helping them become smarter and more efficient producers than ever. In addition to increasing productivity and reducing production costs, modern machinery also contributes to protecting the environment, minimizing the negative impacts of traditional agriculture such as the use of pesticides and chemical fertilizers. In general, modern agriculture is not only a story about the use of machinery, but also a comprehensive revolution in the way agricultural products are produced and consumed. From apple orchards and vineyards to dairy and poultry farms, technology is making big changes that are not only helping farmers increase their income, but also ensuring food security for the world. Thanks to the development of technology, agriculture not only plays an important role in the economy but also serves as a solid foundation for a sustainable and prosperous society. The strong development of modern agriculture has also created big changes in the way